Hey folks, I got a 2006 Porsche 997 and this switch has been really faulty. You really got to jiggle it to get it to work. So I purchased a off-brand, made in China switch for, I think it was $40 at Amazon, whereas the Porsche one's like 100 and something. I saw on forums that this one works fine, so I'm giving it a try. The first thing you need to do is you need to pop out some of these trim rivets. There's one here, one here. You're going to be able to access this one with the seat here, and then you're going to have to move the seat forward to access this one. I'm going to use this little tool to kind of pry it off. Once you pry it off, you're going to use a 5mm hex to get in there. So that's the little plug that you're going to get off. There's a new one there. Yeah, I'm going to wait till And then you gotta feel around in there. You're not going to totally take it out. You're just going to loosen it because you're going to pop this up. You got to feel in there to find it. Each time you got to feel around to see if you can get it. Alright, lose your parts, move this up. That's good. Pop that one out. You squeeze your hex in there. When you get them loosened, you're just going to pull up on this. There's like some trim tabs right underneath here that you're going to pop those up. So you're going to use some force. This is still connected, so you don't want to come up too hard, but you're just going to give it some force coming up. Yeah, I heard it pop there. So you have these trim pieces that are holding it in there. Then you got to take this out. So that pulls out there. Now this is the hardest part, is getting this out. It goes out that way and you got to push it. I'm going to go inside to work on that. This is the toughest part. You have to back it out this way, pry some plastic. I'm gonna pry with the screwdriver and I'm putting pressure with my thumb out that way. All right, I'll try to use this to pry it. So. So I kind of have this stuck in this side, and then I'm working this other side. Yep, I think I got that side. Problem is it's stuck on this side too. Oh, I think I got it. So that's one way to do it. You kind of pry one side, you kind of stick. You need a real like mini thing. I think this is like a little watch screwdriver. So I got this side, now I got to work this side. I'm gonna do the same thing. See, it's close. All right, that worked for that side. Now let's do it here. There we go. Yeah, so then it just pops. Once you get those tabs, it's relatively easy. So take that out. Then you get your new one. And just pop it right back in there. I gotta go get it. And then here's my new one. Just make sure you have it aligned. This goes in the car, your trunk there. I'm just gonna push it in. Just heard them both click in there. Yep, in there solid. So now let's go put it back in the car. This is gonna be easy now. All right, so now all we need to do, we need to plug this adapter back into here, and then we'll pop everything back in. This fits back in there. Just make sure it's in there tight. Look at your wires, kind of tuck them back in there. And then those screws that you did, you have this channel. You want that to kind of go behind the washer. So you have both those hex nuts with the washer going in the front of that so it slides behind there. And then you have your tabs that are going in each of these here. You can kind of feel the tabs aligning in there. Make those tabs catch, a little bang. I think we're good. And then you just tighten your hex nuts. Put that in there. Again, it's hard to get it in there. Tight there. It's tough getting that out. Put your little black tab in there. Put your seat back. Put your tab back in. Boom. Let's try it. You can't hear it, but I can hear it going. It works way better than the other one. There you have it. Thanks.